Hello and welcome to the sixth module of our course on AI in financial forecasting. The sixth module deals with AI in financial planning and analysis, CFO use cases, and strategy. Let's begin with a shift in perspective. The traditional role of finance, especially in financial planning and analysis, has been centered around reporting, budgeting, and variance analysis. But today, CFOs are being asked a very different question. What happens next? And what should we do about it? Finance is no longer just about explaining the past. It's about shaping the future. And this is where AI is redefining the role of financial planning and analysis. Because this is not just a technological upgrade, this is a functional transformation. So let us understand the evolution of financial planning and analysis. Let's understand how financial planning and analysis has evolved. So at the very stage one, which deals with descriptive analytics, that is, what happened, the historical reporting. The second is the diagnostic analytics, that is, why did it happen? That is, variance analysis. The third stage is predictive analytics, which deals with what will happen. That is the forecasting. And the fourth is prescriptive analytics. That is, what should we do? The decision recommendations. AI enables financial planning and analysis to move from backward looking to forward looking and then action oriented. What is the role of AI in modern financial planning and analysis? So the very first role is automation. So basically, AI has enhanced financial planning and analysis in three major ways. The first is automation. With the elimination of manual processes and reduction in the reporting time, AI has actually automated the processes. The second is intelligence. AI generates insights and it identifies patterns. It is intelligent in doing so. And the third is decision support. It recommends actions and stimulates outcomes. So instead of saying revenue declined by 5%, AI-enabled financial planning and analysis says why it declined, what will happen next, and what actions to take. And also it will define why, what will happen, and what should we do. Let's move on and understand some key CFO use cases where this actually has an impact. The very first use case is about budget forecasting automation. The traditional approach, which is based on annual budgeting or manual inputs and static assumptions, the AI approach is continuous forecasting, real-time updates, and scenario-based planning. Hence, AI helps in faster planning cycles and improved accuracy. The second is variance analysis with AI. Traditionally, there is manual investigation, but AI helps in automated root cause analysis and pattern detections. So AI identifies demand drop in specific segment, cost increase due to external factors. The third use case is revenue forecasting. AI integrates historical data, customer behavior, and market trends. The fourth is cost optimization. AI identifies inefficiencies and cost-saving opportunities. The fifth is working capital optimization, wherein AI improves cash flow, inventory management, and payment cycles. The fifth is strategic decision support. AI helps the CFOs evaluate investment decisions, expansion strategies, and risk scenarios. So the key CFO use cases are budget forecasting automation, variance analysis with AI, revenue forecasting, cost optimization, working capital optimization, and strategic decision support. Now let's understand rolling forecasts versus static budgets. Static budget are fixed annually and becomes outdated very quickly. Whereas rolling forecast continuously updated and adapts to the new data. The AI advantage is that it is real-time update, and dynamic adjustments. The future of financial planning and analysis is continuous and not periodic. What is decision intelligence then? Decision intelligence combines data, AI, and human judgment. So, for example, AI recommends increase lending in segment A, reduce exposure in segment B. AI doesn't replaces the CFOs. It augments and helps in proper decision making. Now, there is an organizational impact as well. AI transforms the finance teams. It has really transformed the finance teams. Earlier, the finance teams used to be report creators. They were only creating the reports. But now they are equipped and they have transformed into strategic advisors. So now the finance teams need to understand and need to gain new skill required on data interpretation, business understanding, and strategic thinking. So with the use of AI, which has actually impacted every department, but the finance department, because it is data driven and has the responsibility of taking up the organization ahead, it is really very important for the finance team to adapt to the new requirements and gain skills that will help them use AI in a better way and help the organization grow. There are challenges again in AI-driven financial planning and analysis. So the very first challenge is data integration. Multiple systems lead to complexity. So this is one of a bigger challenge. The second is change management. Resistance to new tools is a challenge for AI-driven financial planning and analysis. Trust in AI. The users must trust the outputs. And the fourth is skill gaps. So the team, as we have discussed, needs to upgrade themselves, and there is a need of upskilling. So if AI is introduced in financial planning and analysis, the organization and the people who are using AI need to understand that the data integration should be there. There is a complexity, the data integration should be there. Change management is something which needs to be ensured by the senior management so that AI is well adapted and there is no resistance in actually adapting the new tools. People working on AI should have trust in AI. This is again a big problem because the human behavior is unpredictable. And to actually make the best use of AI, there's an urgent need of upscaling and to fill up the skill gaps. This particular model has a takeaway of like AI transforms the financial planning and analysis from reporting to strategy. It enables predictive and prescriptive analytics. It improves forecasting, planning, and decision making. It supports the CFOs in navigating the uncertainty, and human plus AI collaboration. AI collaboration is very important and is very crucial. So with this, we understood that AI in financial planning and analysis, how it has evolved through descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analytics, which addresses the questions like what happened, why did it happen, what will happen, and what should we do. What is the role of AI in modern financial planning and analysis? So, role is it has empowered automation, intelligence, and has empowered better decision making. The key areas or the use cases for CFOs where this can be used very effectively is in the budget forecasting automation, variance analysis with the AI, revenue forecasting, cost optimization, working capital optimization, and strategic decision support. There is a difference between rolling forecast and static budgets, where the static budget is static, like for example, annually, and it becomes outdated quickly. The rolling forecast has adapted itself in such a way that it gets automatically updated as the new data arrives. There is decision intelligence. Decision intelligence combines data, AI, and human judgment. So this is an added thing that the data is there, AI is there, and then the human judgment is there. There is a big impact on the organizations also. The teams, the finance teams, where earlier they were just creators of report, now they are moving on to strategic decision making. They are the roles have transformed, and there is a need, an urgent need for upscaling. So to actually effectively adapt to the AI driven financial planning and analysis, it is very important for the organization to address the challenges of data integration, change management, trust in AI, and to fill up the skill gaps. So with this, we end with this model. Thank you so very much. We'll be continuing with the next model soon. Thank you.